Go on, people. Davian and Tonil back again, but you'll only be hearing Davian on this voiceover. We brought a Jamaican barbecue to Spain. We made jerk chicken for the locals in Murcia and for our international friends. What a day it was. A lot of work went into it. In this video, you'll see us gathering the spices to season the meat, to cooking the food, and to serving it to the people. So tune in and let us know if you want to join in for the next one. All right, so I'm out getting stuff for the yeah. I'm out getting stuff for this Jamaican barbecue. The first one in Murcia, Spain. I'm here at Moises. Moises is the partner, this is a business venture that is assisting us. First thing, we're here in the market to get just some fresh produce. It's kind of similar to a Jamaican market where they sell everything. You know, if you want the cheap products, cheap clothes, all that stuff. But first, I have to go check in with my spice guy because this is the only guy. Yeah, this is a spice guy. This is the only guy that sells the Jamaican spices that I want. And I'm looking for pimiento de Jamaica. Perdón, ¿cómo estás? ¿Está bien? Vale. ¿Tienes pimiento de Jamaica? Sí. Este sería tostado. Perfecto. And this is the secret ingredient that makes jerk chicken jerk chicken. Without this, it cannot be called jerk chicken.
We've never seen those in Spain.
Yeah. This is perfection. And this is how they sell the sorrel here. Hibiscus, Florida Jamaica. They always sell it dried. And we have to buy it like that to make that nice sorrel juice. But we're not doing any sorrel, it's not Christmas tea. So this is what we use to make like agua de Jamaica. Agua de Jamaica?
Yeah.
That's how we use with ginger, with boil that, with sugar. That's agua de Jamaica. It's a nice market.
Se coge frente y ni te
We
preguntan.
also have the good pumpkin.
Yo, vamos.
Alright, so we're gonna make some coleslaw. Nice cabbages, but very tiny. Might come back for this one.
Yeah, the other guy had the bigger ones, so they were like 250.
Yeah. So where we can get the herbs. See, this guy has tomillo.
That's what you do, actually.
Do you have that? They have that at the restaurant, right?
Hola. Okay.
You have the fresh guy. 2 days to find time in Spain. 2 days, you know.
Precious time.
And to be honest, it's not the best time, but you make use of the time. You see me? So here, so Sunday, we're gonna fully change this into a Jamaican style. Jamaican flag, Jamaican music, Jamaican everything. Everything, including the jerk chicken. We not miss nothing. One thing I like about Spain, bro. If you check there, so you know those rosemary? That's rosemary you can use, you know? Yeah, man. Like this wild rosemary, people just pick them and use them. You always see them plant them all over the city, so you can just pick them up. But don't do it because you don't know the dogs and piss on it and them thing there. Yeah, but check out the space. It's the La Casa Verde Hostel. If you're in Murcia, this is the place you want to, somewhere cheap, comfortable, close to the city center. This is the place to be. Upon it, man. You have visitors from all over the world. This is the stop in Murcia. Most of the backpackers, they come here so, and I eat that. You can see it's a nice vibe. All of this Sunday will be converted into something. Look at that. Almost like an island vibe. And we are flipping. So, we're here, and we are going to prep the jerk chicken. It's Friday, so we have to prep it at least 24 hours in advance. You see me? So we're going to season up the jerk chicken, clean it up, and just leave it from Friday night. So Sunday when it comes, everything well marinated down and everything bless up. So the first thing we have to do, get them gala ready.
Why?
The quartos, the chaceros, the pollo. So everybody I get a quarter of chicken. First thing I'm gonna do, take the chicken out of the bag, wash them, clean them up, and then afterwards, you don't know me love my time, scallion, season them up, my pepper, my ginger, not tomato, my onions, my garlic, everything, the seasoning them. And I have of course the allspice berry. Hold on, there with the allspice there. This is what make jerk chicken jerk chicken. In Spain they call it pimenta, Jamaica. They don't call it allspice or pimenta, they call it pimenta Jamaica in Spain. So if you're in Spain and you want to find it, this is what you need to look for. And this, watch it. The smell. Oh, I'm gonna take out this.
Flash down, but flash down.
I like, man. The smell of this is what make jerk chicken jerk chicken. This is the magic.
It actually smell like yard, you know that?
Yeah.
It actually smell like yard.
Yeah. Alright, so join me. First thing, as you are going in the kitchen, you need to do. First time I work in a big kitchen, so bear with me. But as a yard man, anytime you touch something, you have to wash your hand. Wash your hand. So my dentist friend tell me, say, yo, when you wash your hand, you need to wash it for at least 30 seconds to a minute. You wash,
Nice.
yeah, if you don't wash your hand for 30 seconds, don't waste the water. Yeah. At least 30 seconds. Ready to go. Ready to go. But since I deal with meat as well, what's that? I deal with meat as well. We're going to wear some gloves. Wear some gloves because I'm not cooking for myself, cooking for people. So when you're cooking for people, you have to be extra hygienic. But these gloves are toenail size because these gloves are like condoms for my fingers. They're tight. You can't even fit. It's Jesus. What kind of gloves this you bring? I use them gloves as condom. This can't be a large, brother. The man brings some condom gloves to blood cloud. Tell him about gloves. Gloves they couldn't.
If it don't fit, you have to quit.
Okay, alright. So the gloves are on. Alright. The only thing with gloves though, make me less maneuverable, but me alright. And the gloves them, I don't really like cook with gloves as well because it give people a false pretense that everything clean. So every time I touch a station or move from a station, especially since this is kind of like a commercial kitchen, I have to ensure that I don't contaminate the meat. So I keep the meat to one area for the washing and cleaning, and then I move to another area for the seasoning, and then I clean down the area before, and then I move to another area and deal with the marinade, which is the most important part. I'm making jerk chicken to make a good marinade so you can soak in it and you get the best jerk chicken ever. First step of it. Boom. So I'm gonna pull up this, but maybe we just put the chicken in it first and then we'll fill it up with water. But may I see how it works, you know, because the first time. And then what not been there? What not been there?
No, that shit way.
Dog, this done, dog.
That video, yeah, that's the people that think for me.
Done,
You okay with that?
That done, dog.
That's the people that think. You okay by you?
No business, dog. That done, dog. Come on, Tony. They know better, dog. About 10 bag of chicken. We're expecting 50 people maximum. Be honest, you know, the first time I'm cooking for more than 10 people or 12 people. Now I'm gonna go and potluck or cook for a few people. But this is the first time I cook for so much people. Tony, I'm kind of nervous, you know, dog. Alright. The chicken them there. Next step, water down the chicken. Yeah, I know them say don't wash your chicken, don't wash your chicken. But it wouldn't be Jamaican jerk chicken if the chicken don't wash. So
The people alone wash chicken, brother.
for real. So we're gonna wash this down with some lemon and some vinegar. In a moose you lemon free, so we can't itch for the lemon. And clean out all of them little thing here we normally get in a regular restaurant. All this, I'm gonna clean off all of that. You don't care. All of the extra feather them, they will be gone. Rasta say not touch your meat. But then we cut lemon. Nice little kitchen still. Put some lemon.
Okay.
And we're good.
Shopping guy is here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bossman is here. Yeah.
Hello, hello. How are you doing, man?
We're good, we're good, we're
This
good.
is the freshest time I can figure out. So
Yeah. That's the
I bought dry thyme from
How you doing?
the market,
Yeah.
but maybe that's not what you wanted.
No, it will work as well because this fresh one.
Okay, if you
It's
run
on.
out of this,
Yeah.
there's dry there.
Alright.
Let me show you what I brought, and you tell me if it's adequate and enough.
Let's
You
drop
need
them in
more.
there. Let's squeeze them and drop them. Rasta say man can't touch a chicken.
I have a lot more lemons at home.
Yeah. What you bring?
2 more kilos of
All-purpose flour for the festival.
3 packs of coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Tony, that one here we can use?
Will that thing that will work? Or you prefer the tin? This is what I have home.
Ah.
I can buy from the supermarket and baking
Baking
powder.
powder.
But we need more, we need more.
You
Yeah.
need more than that?
Yeah,
We need
yeah.
3 more.
3 more.
Because
But
it's a
then
big
I'll-
for the
3 or
rice.
4 more, yeah. 3
So
or
then
4
I
more.
bring 3 tins from Mercadona.
Perfect.
Like
The
round
one from
trip.
Mercadona is the best one.
Yeah.
Okay, I
So
bring
3
that.
tins from that.
And I got some cardamom home that I wasn't using, so I thought,
Yeah.
let's bring spices.
Perfect.
So what else did I bring? 3 kilos long rice,
Yeah.
3 tins of red beans, no?
Yeah.
Oh, you brought this. I think we have one. This
No,
is
no,
ours.
this is yours.
Ah, this is ours. Okay. 3 tins of that, 2 packets of butter. A kilo of mayonnaise will be enough.
That should be
for
good
the
enough.
coleslaw? That's
Yeah.
a side, no? 2 of soy sauce. Ketchup, because we don't use ketchup here. 2
Ah.
barbecue, because I need one for me.
You don't use ketchup?
No? Can you believe what type of restaurant are we? Like that, no?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Llámame a Santi, Sebas.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Be careful what you say that noises.
What's the meaning of vinegar?
Careful.
Does it have a hidden no?
Don't worry.
Now, Vienna, half a bottle of
You need
vinegar.
sugar, you found sugar, so.
Alright, Tony, we're good. Alright, time for me to dig in the meat. Pause. To clean the meat is very important. Most people don't really do this. The vinegar in it, we normally scrape off the extra feathers, but the fire will burn off most. So normally when they're doing an industrial kitchen, they don't really do that. But personally,
You
I like
removing extra
removing the extra feathers and removing this.
And since you only have to do it on 20 kilos, it's okay.
Yeah.
Mira, a ver que he encendido el otro frío y está pitando. ¿Cuál?
And you know
He
this,
encendido el otro.
this thing is normally an extra layer of skin. Most people don't remove it, but you scrape,
Ah, ¿qué era?
it comes off easy. So a little scrape and you just peel it off and eat that.
And then you have to throw that off, no? Not in the
Yeah.
mix. Oh,
Throw it up. The other one, Tony, so put the ones that we clean in the other one. The other one of these.
The other big container.
Yeah, I'll get that. And then you have them little fat here.
I have 3 of these, so these are too small.
I don't think they'll fit in these things. See? All of this water I got dash away. I want to be a cleaner water. But all of these them, the extra fat need to trim off, extra feather. I'm going to do this for all of them. And this is how I'm going to keep count as well, because I think we have at least 30 people here already. And you don't know, people are going to show up on the day when they smell the chicken at grill, they will be here. Alright? So, one down and I'll get a second wash in a vinegar after I do that one here as well. And I eat that. Yeah, alright.
It's good, but it no.
Do you need help, guys? Someone. You're
We'll
good?
go do good noises.
How many of those were in each pack? 4.
3 or 4 of them. 3 to 4.
3 or 4, so they're not
Yeah.
even.
They're not even.
Okay.
I'm
But those are good size, no?
Yeah.
You like that size?
Pause.
Or is it small? Or is small compared to Jamaica?
Yeah, this is a good chicken leg.
Yeah?
1, 2, 3. How many people paid already?
30.
Bear with me and don't judge me. I'm still cleaning chicken, but Tony is prepping the marinade, and we need to test how hot the thing is. So notice
Fire burn, the pepper.
the pepper is, because this is not a scotchy. This is a habanero, so we need to realize how spicy to make it, because the Spanish people and the spice, they're not nice. They can't handle it. Them can't handle it.
No.
Damn, we need like 10 or 20 of them, man. We need like 20 of them. We need like 20 of them.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's sweet. It is sweet. The pepper tastes sweet. The pepper, it's hot, but it tastes sweet. It's like
a sweet pepper?
It's like a spicy sweet pepper.
A spicy sweet
pepper, dog. It's like a fucking spicy sweet. Like, try, trust me. Spicy sweet pepper. Alright. Another run. Horizontal. Another run through. Watch there. Look at that. Look, take it sing. Look at that. Ew. Look at that. No, not me. Look at that. Ew. That's what you normally eat when these white people cook for you, bro. Gonna clean up all of these things. One more run through. Moise, is that
all this is for the dogs.
Oh, that's for the dogs. If you want to cook that up for your dogs,
I don't have dogs, but
that's for the
I wouldn't
dogs.
mind keep it up for the dogs.
That's for the dogs.
And this is your herb mix.
Yeah, that's the herb mix.
With soy sauce.
Jerk mix, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we can have the soy sauce. This is the brownie.
Brownie, Jamaican brown.
Yeah, with the Sunday come. And we still look on the people in place when they're satisfied with the food.
Yeah.
Read. Them go look it. Alright, so right here we have the ingredients for the jerk sauce. So we have our honey. You know, we have honey, we have sweet pepper.
Paprika. Yeah.
No, it's not paprika, it's sweet
paprika.
pepper. But the sweet one,
Paprika.
Alright, paprika.
Yeah.
And we have this pimento with the bigger grain. Look at the grain, look at the size of the grain. You see the one from Jamaica is much different from this one that they have, the size of the grains.
Yeah.
You know? And we also have the cinnamon. Cinnamon. And we have some nutmeg.
Yeah.
And we're going to also put a little bit of vinegar, white vinegar, you know. Also with some sunflower oil. And that's how we get our jerk sauce.
Yeah. Sugar. And don't forget the salt.
And the brown sugar, azúcar. Yeah. And some salt, you know.
Where's salt? Salt there.
On it and all the seasonings, it will change color. And if you can, try to get the pimento like mashed to a powder, complete powder if you can. All right. Now it's time to add the honey, the vinegar, and the sunflower oil to the vegetables.
Sunflower oil because it has the highest burning point. You don't really want to use olive oil or their oil because it will burn and get bitter over the heat.
Yep. Honey, don't be scared to add honey.
Yeah, a little bit of sweetness because Spanish people, you know? Yeah, man. I use the oil as a binder to bind it to the meat, you know?
Yes, and again, I'm being guided by my ancestors. And they told me one more. All right. And all of this should be ready to be blended. Yeah, get it?
Yeah.
Let me take an overview right this way.
I'm going to put all of this in it.
All of it.
So there is what? Ginger, pepper, scallion,
Alright, so this is the jerk sauce that we add to the chicken right now.
Ooh!
You see how long it take for fall?
Bumbleclaw.
Rich. It have money, it's rich.
You pass load for your one already?
Yeah.
Feel like we eat all the gloves.
Sweet jerk
Yeah,
seasoning.
man.
Sweet jerk seasoning, sweet.
Season up everything. See, man? Smell that? Bumbleclaw, yeah, man. Are you ready for this? Musia! Are you ready? Alright, early in the morning, having a cup of coffee, and we're gonna start the cooking for the Jamaican barbecue. The first one in Musia, Spain. And it's not gonna be the last one. So the first thing we need to do, have a lick of coffee. And then we already start prepping. This is for the rice and peas. We have the onion, we have the scallion, we have some thyme, we have coconut milk. Don't judge you because of the canned coconut milk. You know? No. When you're in Spain, you do as the Spanish do. Yeah. And the next thing I'm gonna do, wash my rice. This is not a thing that's happening in Spain, you know. The washing of the rice is not normally done. Mainly because they make paella and you can't wash the paella rice. But here so we're changing that. The kind of rice we use to wash it. So we have an estimated probably 60 people coming, right, Moises?
Yeah, definitely more than 50.
Definitely more than 50. So we need to we cook it. Moises tell us that this can work for 50 people. 2-3 kilos of rice. But we're starting off with the first 2 kilos.
50 people from where?
Yeah.
From Spain.
From Spain.
That's a side dish, not a main order.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, yeah, I say.
It's one of 4 side dishes with the main order.
Yeah. I have to take off my watch. I already washed my hands already, by the way. For those who are judge me in the comments. Wash your rice. Thing is washing your rice now. You have to wash it multiple times. Get between the crevices then. You see this? All of this whiteness. You got to get rid of that. You got to wash until the water runs clear. This cabbage soaking in salt water. We alone do this to the rice and peas, you know. We alone do them kind of sweating, you know. Steam it up. Alright. So we have the Argentinian grill and we have Axel here, but Axel doesn't want to be on camera. Axel is going to be helping me out with the grill today. Sauce. Ready. Chickpea curry prepped on you. Coleslaw. Prepping. Alright. The festival next. And the jerk chicken. Ready. Cooking now. Ready? Let's go. Tony, me carry on the festival them. Alright. I'm gonna start rolling. Don't forget the flag. Axel. ¿Cuánto tiempo? Hasta. Vale.
What are you doing?
No. It's not gonna work. Alright. We had to carry the chicken from the kitchen down to the Argentinian grill. Yes, I know. It's not a Jamaican jerk pan, but it's what we have and we have to make use. And we don't know, see yo, it's jerk once it have the allspice. You know, it would be the perfect for have the right pan and the right settings, but when you're in a foreign country, you don't have access to it.
You have to make use. You can't make open jerk. So right now, basically call this a Argentinian Jamaican jerk because it's up on an Argentinian grill. So I carry it down there, so ask my youth there. Help you out for the day as well. Big ups to him, young youth. Watch him. Man, watch your food. Food him come for, Food him come for. Never want to work. Moise his son. Big ups and shout outs to him. And just go down here, so. Axel have the grill set up already. Have the chicken there, so. Well set. Watch it. Ready for jump on the fire there, so. In Argentina, them do it a little bit different as well. You notice how the grill set up? You have fire bottom and fire aside. You see the fire at the side and then push it through there so and then keep the coal burn and then put it underneath the grill afterwards. It's a wicked way to do it, man.
Watch out, the trolley is behind you. Behind you.
Axel, this is going to be your baby. That's
Rain are coming on.
in my hair. This, we need to put some hood chips on the barbecue. Santi, how are you going? Axel, fucking hell, sorry. Axel, how are we going to lift this? How are we going to lift this? Because I need it to be underneath this.
Llevando esto.
Sí. Vale? So these wood chips have been soaking. They're hickory wood chips. Flavor. Normally I should get pimento hood, but we don't have pimento hood here. So we have hickory, and we're gonna cover this so the smoke goes through it. So it's a makeshift because a Jamaican barbecue normally it's sealed, and there's something for the exhaust to go. But this will get the wood chips and the smoke flavor into the meat now. All right. How long until we're ready? You have a chopping board? David.
Pásame el lighter. Can I have the lighter? The lighter.
Cuando voy poniendo, puedes remover la carne, ¿sí? Ya lo he puesto.
Live podcast later.
Does it need to be cooked? Yes. Oh, you turn on the temp of this.
I don't know. Don't touch it.
Because the camera woman starts with the food and she got hungry and then I think she lose her head. So the food starts served. I just have to talk on the chew, so the food starts served, man, chop up some chicken and serve some chicken for the people them. Basically everybody start eat already still. This is the last of the chicken them cause we never get no content the food I serve and them things there. Or that are reason you can't see the people them look on the plate, them people keep an eye on the plate. Oh, them people that them finish 2 plates already are happy. Check out the plate, them people. Just check out the plate, them. Check out the plates. Clean. Check out the bone, them. Clean bone. Oh, girl on the left there, so she got the chickpea curry, so made a vegetarian option as well. We never really talk about that as well. But just a circle and see the people, them. Even the pit, them. Look on the pit, them. Food clear and them gone on them phone. Then you go say, boom, watch ya. Plate a clear. Who use knife and fork and eat jerk chicken? Not a chickpea curry, brother in the white. Watch there. Everybody eat and a belch and a more, but we still have more meat to go up on fire cause more people are forward. Watch it. My boss goes so boom. Clean off one plate. Watch it. Bone clear. How the food tastes? Oh, the food is great. It's great. It's amazing. I'm eating so much. Watch it. Apologies again for not sharing you like a finished plate or anything like that, but I can give you the recipes that we use and put they see them on screen, and you can use them and adapt them to your liking. Hopefully next time you can come through for the next one. First time cooking for 60 people was intense, was insane. But we pulled through, represented well. Next time, it will even be bigger and better. Now we have an understanding. And this was coming from two people that don't have any experience cooking for so many people. But remember, like, share, subscribe. Thank you again for tuning in. As always, have a good one. All good.